WF fam, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do something special. We're going to do a hibachi style dinner on my new flat top grill that I just got, the STEELMADE grill. I absolutely love this grill. There's not too many products I will endorse. You guys already know I do the pressure cooker. I do my Copper Chef stuff. And you know, there's a couple other products, but this is one that I really endorse. It's made right here in America, and if you want to pick it up after you watch this video, just click on the link below, or I'll have it displayed here on the screen. It'll take you to the website, and it'll give you a nice percentage off of the purchase of one of their products. And it helps me out a little bit. I am an affiliate. So, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share the video, guys, and let's get started with some chop chop Japanese hibachi dinner. As I do with all of my videos, I'm going to start with my supporting cast. So, there's a lot of ingredients here. I just decided to do a lot of proteins and some vegetables. So, start out always, my pink Himalayan sea salt, don't leave home without it. My black pepper. In this jar is some homemade teriyaki sauce. Actually, I can put the recipe in the description for you guys if you want it. Got some sesame seed oil here. Now this is my own homemade garlic butter with some parsley in it. And it's real simple, just butter, parsley, and some smashed garlic. Real simple. This is some yum yum sauce. If you guys have ever been to any Japanese steakhouse, most of them will have a yum yum sauce. Then we got some carrots for my fried rice. We got some fresh scallions cut up for my fried rice. Some zucchinis. Some yellow squash there, mushrooms, some onion here, and I got some diced up onions for the fried rice. And then for my proteins, I got shrimp, a few scallops here, some chicken, some ribeye steak, and some lobster, guys. So we're gonna do it up today. Oh, and I don't want to forget, here's my rice, some pre-made jasmine rice. You gotta pre-make this, and you have to make sure it's in the refrigerator for a little bit, maybe an hour or two, to dry it out, because it's got to have a certain consistency for fried rice. So that's all the ingredients, guys. I mean, there may be a few other things that I might add, like some soy sauce, of course, for the fried rice, but we'll get to that here in a second. Got my soy sauce right here. So let's get started putting this together. And by the way, as you guys already know, this is featuring my STEELMADE grill that I just got. And there will be a link in the description, of course, for you guys to get my discount. If you go to the website and you use that link, you'll get a 10% discount. So go ahead and purchase this, guys. All right, let's get started putting this together. We're over here at the griddle. And I got my oil on here. So I'm going to start with my onions here first for my fried rice. I put them right in the middle of the grill. I don't want them to cook too soon. So we're going to just sweat these down just a little bit here before I put my rice in there. A little bit of my garlic butter here. Put that right on top. There we go. Get those onions in there. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and throw my steaks on. Those are going to take the longest to cook. So I got a couple ribeyes here. And I'm going to just sprinkle them with a little salt and pepper. There we go. There's one of them. There's a second of them. And as you can see, my onions are going pretty good here. So we're going to pull them to the middle. And right here in the middle, we're just going to add my fried rice. Or my rice here for the fried rice. To the rice, we're going to add a little bit of garlic butter. Guys, to the fried rice there, a little bit of soy sauce here. Come here and flip my steaks over there. Look at the sear on those bad boys. There we go. Add a little bit more soy sauce. And just a sprinkle of sesame seed oil. To add my carrots here. A little bit. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Why go to a Japanese steakhouse when you can do this at home? All you got to do is use my coupon code, or I should say my link, and you can purchase one of these yourself. Alright, we're going to tag the soy sauce with a little salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and cut up the steak real quick. It's got a nice sear on it. There we go, bite-sized pieces there. Throw a little bit of my garlic butter in there. And just a little bit of the teriyaki sauce. Man, if you guys can smell this. Ooh, Lord. Here, I'm going to go ahead and throw my egg on here for my fried rice. Alright, so on this fried rice, I'm going to put a little bit of my teriyaki sauce on here. Flip my chicken over. Look at the sear on that bad boy. Look at the sear on that. Alright, so the eggs cooked up nicely. Separate my steak here. So incorporate that into the fried rice there. Alright, I'm going to throw my scallions in there now. In the fried rice. Look at that fried rice. Oh my God. Look at that. Alright guys, so as I always tell you, you gotta taste your food. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna taste my fried rice, see what I need to add to it. Tap in more soy sauce. Alright guys, so let me work on my chicken here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put my vegetables on, my zucchini, my yellow squash, my mushrooms, and my onions there. We're going to go ahead and cook these down just a little bit. And like always, as I tell you guys, I'm salt and pepper my vegetables. We're going to go ahead and cut up this chicken. What I'm going to do with this chicken is I'm going to cut it in half here. Just like that. Make my cook time a little bit better. On the inside, a little salt, a little pepper. We're going to hit it with a little bit of compound. I keep saying compound, my little bit of garlic butter. Alright. Chicken's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and cut it up for us. A little bit of my teriyaki sauce on it. Sprinkle them with a little teriyaki sauce, a little homemade, boy. Look at that, man. Woo! Right, the last part of what I'm going to do is very quick, very easy. So I'm going to add my seafood next. First thing I'm going to start with is the shrimp. Shrimp don't take very long at all. Throw a little bit of my butter down. When people put the shrimp on their grill, they want to mess with it too much. I'm just going to flatten them out and let them cook real quick. When I flip them over, then I'll put my teriyaki sauce on them and we'll go from there. Next thing I'm going to add here is a little bit of butter, and I'm going to throw my lobster on here. Just like the shrimp, lobster don't take long. Season my shrimp up a little bit. Alright, shrimp has been cooking a minute. I'm going to go ahead and toss these around a little bit. And throw a little bit of my teriyaki sauce on it. When your shrimp is almost done, that's when you want to move it to the center, because it's going to continue to cook with the residual heat from the middle of the grill. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Moving it to the center. A little bit of my butter there. From what I've learned is you got to make sure that they're dry, so otherwise they won't sear very well. So alright, we're going to throw our scallops on. There we go. Now when you put the scallops on, you want to hear that sear. This one's kind of falling apart a little bit, but we're going to work with it. So we're going to cook these up, and then I'm going to display this all for you guys. So there, we're done. Everything's on the grill. My steak, my shrimp, my chicken, my vegetables, my lobster, my scallops are cooking down. Hey, I don't even know what to say, man. You guys need to really pick up one of these. Hit the link at the bottom. That'll take you directly to the website, and you can use that as a 10% discount, and just tell them Big Tone sent you. Alright guys, I'm going to plate this up for you, and we're out of here. Hibachi style meal in your own home. Bring the Japanese restaurant to you. Don't even go out and spend $70, $80. Hey guys, I got my vegetables, my yellow, my zucchini squash, my mushrooms, my onions, my steak, my shrimp, my scallops, and the lobster, and some fried rice. I got my little yum yum sauce there in the back and some teriyaki. Doesn't get any better than that. But you know me, I'm going to take a taste. Hibachi style grill in your own home. Don't go to Benihana. Bring Benihana to you. I'm gonna take a taste. You know me. Let me get a bite of this steak, fried rice. Give me a bite of chicken and shrimp. Perfect. Absolutely perfect, guys. Hey, if you want one of those grills, make sure you hit the link below. You can use my Big Tones affiliate code and link to the website and give you 10% off. It's a great product, guys. You need to get one. And hey, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.